Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making the system safe and accessible. First, shut down and unplug the device, then hold the power button for a few seconds to drain residual charge. Once done, attach an anti-static strap or at least touch metal to ground yourself. This prevents electrostatic damage. Next, remove case screws and slide off the panel. Work slowly, keep screws organized, and use a flashlight to inspect the motherboard area where the Cmos battery is usually seated. You now search the motherboard for a coin cell battery. Typically, it's a flat, round, silver CR2032 in a circular holder. You'll often find it near the board edge, close to PCI slots, memory slots, or storage connectors. Laptop batteries can be under panels or wrapped in tape. If you can't spot it, compare with the manufacturer's board diagram or a quick model-specific photo. Making sure you understand the clip orientation. Before attempting you'll remove and replace carefully. Note the battery's plus side and clip direction, then use a plastic tool to lever it out to avoid shorting. Once you insert the new cell in the same orientation, reassemble the case and reconnect power. After booting, enter BIOS to verify date and settings. If the system still loses settings, make sure the battery is seated. Then try clearing Cmos with the motherboard jumper. This fixes stubborn config errors when replacing the battery doesn't resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.